All right, this is Dexioprotocol. What is Dexioprotocol? Dexio is a VR bonanza. Okay, this is an Apple VR waiting to happen. A freaking Pokemon Go thingamajig waiting to happen. So with this VR technology that is going to be released through Apple in February, mind you, this is a project that's going to help you get crypto through the VR, and they're going to have quests. They're going to have different adventures and just different games and a lot of different stuff, man, that I find very, very interesting for the future of VR and VR gaming just out and about in the real world. So they're going to be blending the VR and the crypto, and you're going to have these hunts. You're going to be able to earn crypto. It's going to be fun. It's going to be awesome. So I believe, like, look at that. Your activity, $25 collected from Bitcoin, Move and Play, Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, this is awesome. Dexio with the Apple Vision Pro is next level. So if we look at the fully diluted valuation, it's $4. Where do I think Dexio can go? At least 30 cents. At least 30 cents. Okay, let's go to max. So it was released in 2022 at about 12 cents. It's been down. I think we can at least go to all-time highs once the Apple Vision Pro starts to heat up. Summertime, this thing could definitely go to 30 cent. At least 30 cents. By summer, people are going to be outside. People are going to know about Dexio Protocol. Apple Vision is going to be shipped out. People are going to have theirs by spring. And then when summertime gets there, when people are outside, it's going to be like wildfire. Dexio could 100x, but I say at least a 10x because it's a lot of apps that are going to be out. But hey, this could potentially 10x. So yeah, if you all are interested in crypto security, learning about crypto investing, we have our own Telegram group where we pick 10x's. I've picked many other 10x's in the past. I was at Injective at $1 and it went to $40. So that's a 40x. So if you all are interested, shoot me a DM on Mike Check Global on Instagram. It's $500 one-time payment to get in, and the goal is to 10x to 100x your money. So talk to you guys soon. Peace.